Bonjour and welcome to Easy French Cooking. Would you like to learn 6 easy ways to cook eggs? I'm Victor, and in this video we are going to learn 6 top tips to easily cook eggs. Hard-boiled eggs, soft-boiled eggs, eggs mollet, poached eggs, fried eggs, and scrambled eggs. Are you ready? Let's go! At number 6, the hard-boiled egg. This is the simplest way to cook an egg. You only need, well, an egg of course, a saucepan with a lid, a bowl of ice-cold water, a slotted spoon, and a hard surface to break the shell. Boil some water, keep the lid on, it will save you time and energy too. First, make sure that your egg doesn't come straight out of the fridge, as the shell will be likely to crack in boiling water. Instead, keep it at room temperature for 30 minutes to an hour. Once the water is boiling, remove the lid, turn the heat down so that the water simmers. Put the egg in delicately with a slotted spoon and leave for 10 to 12 minutes. If you overcook it, you will notice when you cut it that the yolk has become a little bit gray on the edge. After 11 minutes, remove the egg and plunge it in ice-cold water to stop it from cooking. Also, like this, you won't burn your fingers when removing the shell. Gently break the shell against a hard surface. Put the egg back in the water from time to time. And just peel it. It's that easy. You will see there's a membrane between the shell and the egg. So when you peel the membrane, everything comes off. There you go. And voila! A hard-boiled egg. Super easy and super delicious. Check this out. So nice. Oh yes. Another great thing with hard-boiled eggs is that you can keep them in the fridge for a couple of days. If they get mixed with fresh eggs, or if someone is playing a trick on you, an easy way to tell them apart is that a hard-boiled egg spins. A fresh egg doesn't. See? Hard-boiled, fresh. Easy. And number 5, the soft-boiled egg, or egg à la coque, which means that it's cooked and eaten in its shell, even quicker than the hard-boiled egg. All you need is, well, an egg, a saucepan with a lid, and a slotted spoon. And you will eat it in an egg cup with a teaspoon, seasoned with salt and pepper. You will need a knife too to cut the top off. I would recommend some nice fresh bread too, as you just have to eat egg à la coque with soldiers. I mean pieces of bread, not necessarily military people. So here we go. Boil the water. The water is boiling. Remove the lid. Turn the heat down so that it simmers. And place your egg delicately in the water. As with a hard-boiled egg, you will have kept your egg at room temperature for 30 minutes to an hour so that the shell doesn't crack. And time it for 3.5 minutes. 3.5 minutes, that's it, your egg is ready. Place your egg in the egg cup break the top of the shell. I use the back of my teaspoon for that. And remove it. Now just cut the top of the egg. And voila, the egg à la coque, seasoned, salt, pepper. You can use Tabasco if you like to. Dip your soldier in and enjoy. Look at that. This is so good. Simple and beautiful. At number 4 is the egg mollet. Mollet has got nothing to do with your calf. It means soft in French, or soft-ish, like mou. It's also called soft-boiled egg in English, although it's kind of between soft-boiled and hard-boiled. So let's call it softish boiled egg mollet. Again, all you need is an egg, a saucepan with a lid, a bowl of ice-cold water, a slotted spoon, and that's it. Once again, keep your egg at room temperature for 30 minutes to an hour so that the shell doesn't crack. Bring the water to boil. The water is boiling, remove the lid, turn the heat down so that it simmers. Place the egg in the simmering water, gently with a slotted spoon, and time for 6 minutes. After 6 minutes, remove the egg and place it in a bowl of ice-cold water. Leave it there for a couple of minutes to stop it from cooking. Then gently break the egg against a hard surface. And dip the egg in the water from time to time. You can easily remove the shell just like this. And voila, a beautiful egg mollet. Soft in the middle. You can have it with salads, ham, or even just by itself with some seasoning. Yes, I love it. At number 3 is the poached egg, or œuf poché. This one is not cooked with the shell on. You will need an egg as fresh as possible. For poached eggs, the fresher the better. Straight out of the hen's bottom if you can. A saucepan with a lid, a bowl, a slotted spoon, and white wine vinegar, 5 centiliters per liter of water. Here we go, a saucepan with water and boil. Do not add any salt ever. It just doesn't work with poached eggs as it prevents the white from sticking together. The water is boiling, turn the heat down so that it simmers. The trick with poached eggs is to make sure that the white sticks around the yolk and doesn't go everywhere. So 2 top tips for that. 1, make sure your egg is fresh. And 2, what you want to do is put the egg in just for 10 seconds. That will help keeping the white together when you do the poaching. Here we go, 10 seconds, no more. Now, break your egg into a bowl. Add some vinegar. Create a swirl with your spoon. Bring the bowl to the water, quickly flip it, hop! Set the timer for 4 minutes. Use the spoon to help keep the white together during the cooking, if needed. After 4 minutes, remove the egg. And voila! A beautiful poached egg, which goes really well with salads, on toast, with ham, smoked salmon, or you can just have it like this with some seasoning. You can give it a little shave to make it look nicer. Look at that. Delicious. Number 2 is the fried egg, or sunny side up, or œuf sur le plat. What you need this time is, guess what? An egg, a frying pan, a spatula, some butter, olive oil, salt and pepper. Nothing less, nothing more. If you are using a stainless steel frying pan and you want to make sure that the egg doesn't get stuck, it's really easy. Turn the heat on high. After a while, a few drops of water in the pan like this. If the water evaporates, it's not hot enough yet. If you get drops of water dancing around the pan like this, it's ready. Add some olive oil. Melt some butter. Once the butter has melted, add the salt. It's much better than adding the salt on the top of the egg because that will make white spots on your egg. Now break the egg into the pan and cook your egg until you can't see through the white and when the edge becomes a little bit darker. On the plate, et voila! Add a bit of pepper and enjoy your egg sunny side up. Oh, I can't resist that. Yes, beautiful. And now, in number 1 position, ladies and gentlemen, the scrambled eggs, les œufs brouillés, a classic for breakfast. It goes really nicely with a toast and smoked salmon or bacon. What you will need for 1 person is 2 eggs, a saucepan, a spatula, some butter, salt and pepper. And that's it. It's a lot simpler than it looks. We start by putting some butter in the saucepan. Then we break the eggs into it. Medium heat. And then you just gently mix with your spatula. The eggs will naturally break and you keep on mixing until it's firm but creamy. Season with salt and pepper. There you go. Just carry on until it's firm and creamy. Haha, firm and creamy. We're talking about the eggs, folks. And voila! Beautiful creamy scrambled eggs in no time. That is so nice. Bon appétit! Thanks for watching. I hope you learned a few tricks about those 6 super easy ways to cook eggs. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments and click on the like button if you enjoyed the video. To get a new recipe every week, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, it's free. Also, check out the description below for the ingredients and for links to great kitchen gear, as well as food and wine delivery services. Keep on cooking, see you next time, à bientôt!